guys, Dennis here back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1968 to 70 GTO hoods by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. These are available with and without the rear hood vents to fit your needs. Stamped from heavy gauge steel, these hoods are identically reproduced to the original quality standards for that authentic fit and finish. Each hood features all the correct factory mounting holes for hood hinges and hood scoop inserts. In addition, every hood is finished with electro deposit primer, also known as EDP Coating. EDP coatings protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your hood without worrying about potential rust. We also featured this hood on our 1968 GTO at the SEMA show back in 2008. After a long week and hundreds of cars reviewed, ours took home the GM Best Restored Vehicle of the Year award. 11 years later, and our hood still looks brand new and in showroom quality condition. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.